In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play Netflix movies in slow motion. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and open any movie, for instance, this movie, and I like to go ahead and play it much slower. So to apply slow motion, it is quite simple. Just go ahead and click on this 10 backward. It will slow your video or movie by 10 seconds. So if you do it 3 times, it will make it even much slower. And to return it to normal, you can also fast forward it. Alternatively, you can also apply slow motion using the backward arrow key on your keyboard. So if I go ahead and tap on the backward key, you can see it will make it even much slower. Look at that, it is much slower. Alternatively, you can also use this playback speed icon, and here you can make it slower from normal by reducing the speed to maybe 0.75 or even a half of the time taken on playback. So that's how you can apply slow motion on your movies in Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.